Welcome to this video tutorial for the NMP flight application. The learning objective of this tutorial is to show the link from a flight with a rerouting opportunity to the information in the oplog. In this case, I have 4 flights in my flight list which have an opportunity. If I click on the yes that is shown in the opportunity column, that will automatically open the third pane directly in the ops log of the flight. In the ops log, any high reroute oplog type that has been regarded as having an interesting alternate route for me to use will be highlighted in green. If I open the element, the information detailing the original route and the alternate routes which are regarded as interesting are shown. Just for added information while we're in this view, the oplog also colours any IFPS flight planning message in yellow, and if there has been a flight suspension message or flight desuspension message, they will be coloured in pink. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment if you have feedback for us.